It'll be alright.
Red water, y'all. Knowing damn well that shit supposed to be red.
It's the Kool-Aid.
Ghetto. It's the ghetto for me.
It's the sugar-free for me.
It's the ghetto for me. This shit hot as hell, yo. No doubt. Do a food review later. Should have been doing a food review, but this shit good though. Might do a little cut this part and make it its own separate video. It's called MCCB in the Chinatown. This lamb chop stir fry. She got
Mongolian beef.
The pasta, the noodles, all of that. The ragu. Yeah, so it's hot as hell, but it was good as hell though. They nosy. They come pour you water every 5 minutes trying to be nosy. They ain't slick. Ain't that much water in the world. Alright. So part of this video will be going up about a food review. The food good to us though. But this dish right here is hot as hell.
It's good though.
Good but hot. Y'all come to Chinatown. Y'all come to the spot, check it out. I ain't gonna advertise because they ain't paying me. You did.